Got a pretty rare Audi Q5 diesel with a really nasty door smash here. We're going to repair this without repainting or replacing any parts. Using the paintless dent repair method, we're going to start with some glue pulling. As you can see here, just kind of getting some of the damage up. And then we're manipulating from the outside as well. Then we have to find some access to get a tool to the backside. And you can see we're going to grab one of these tools and just go in through that factory opening and manipulate this back to its original shape. Very slowly. This is about a 9-hour repair total, and you can see one last look at it before and the final outcome here. Came out amazing. Customer was absolutely blown away. Was told by several people that this couldn't be done. You can see no access holes drilled. This is 100% using the paintless dent repair method. Thanks for watching.